Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia and I am so excited that you're watching this with me. And I am just so excited. If you don't know, my favorite chore in the world is vacuuming. I know that's probably weird, but I seriously love it. I would do it every single day if Malcolm will let me. Like, I love vacuuming. And he's playing on the floor, so I'm sure you can hear him. I just got a brand new vacuum cleaner and I'm so excited. I've been wanting this vacuum for such a long time, and we finally got the money saved up in our budget and pulled the plug and got the vacuum, and I'm so happy. I will leave a link to the vacuum below. So, sorry I'm out of breath. I just ran downstairs to get it and ran upstairs with the vacuum and pulled the camera out because I can't wait. I'm so happy. So, I'm gonna open it up and unbox it with you and then show you me cleaning the house. So, it's right here in front, but you can't really see the box. That's okay, I will show you all the things. So, one thing that I really wanna do, our master bedroom is a really, really high traffic area. Let's try and do this. This is gonna be a little awkward. Anyway, from our door to our master bath, the carpet is disgusting, and it's because we walk on it so much. It has just worn that area. Oh, how does one get this out of here gracefully on camera? Ugh. Anyway, so I have had it professionally cleaned, that area. Sorry, I'm having issues. Maybe if I undo the bottom and push it, that will help. Sorry, so I have had it professionally cleaned. I have cleaned it myself, rented a carpet cleaner. I don't currently own a carpet cleaner. Hey, Bubby. Hi. That's on my list also. I don't think that would be as fun as vacuuming, but, and yeah, so it is it's awful. I think part of the issue is we have the builder grade carpet, which is the cheapest possible ever. It's just the carpet that the house was built, that the builder put in with the house. Ah, there we go. I know, Mommy figured it out. So yeah, so it gets worn really easily, and it looks super gross. So what I want to do is vacuum our master bedroom with the vacuum cleaner that I currently have, which is just a cheap vacuum cleaner, and then go over it again with this vacuum. Is that the front? Maybe. This Shark vacuum. Ta-da! So happy. One thing I'm really excited about with this vacuum cleaner is, and this is not an ad by any means, y'all. I'm just really that nerding out over the vacuum. I mean, if they wanted to sponsor me, that would be so cool. But they don't. One of the things that I'm super excited about, and it actually says right here, is they have 0M technology. Uh-oh, we might be getting fussy. Which basically just means the little roller brush, your hair is not supposed to wrap around the brush. Just pulling out little accessories and such. Anyway, I'm really excited about that because I am a person who sheds a lot as it is. And y'all, this postpartum hair loss has been a serious thing in my life. Despite my best efforts, there is hair everywhere. It's just absurd. Oops. I'm trying to do this somewhat efficiently, and well, as you can see, that's not happening. Here's the floor part, and this, oh, this is soft. This is like cloth kind of, and then it has the regular rolly brush, and then another piece that's kind of like cloth. I might have to pick up a baby. We'll see. And then you can, from the top, you can like see into the roller. I can get that up there for you to see. And then we just have some of the little accessories. Oh, I'm gonna have to be fast because he's fussing. So that would be this little attachment, little scrub, like more vacuumy kind of thing, and then the hose. Okay, I am going to tend to Malcolm, put this together, and eventually today at some point, which for you will be super fast, you're going to see me cleaning, vacuuming the floors. Yay! Okay, so I just finished vacuuming our master bedroom, which is where I told you it was really crazy, like the carpet was just a mess. And I vacuumed it first with our old vacuum cleaner, and then I vacuumed it with the new Shark vacuum cleaner. And I will show you really quick what the result of that was. Okay, so I just have this on the floor right now. I'm gonna see if you can tell that I'm holding this like awkwardly with my left hand. But basically the little area like is completely full. So this is only after vacuuming with just this master bedroom. So even though I had okay, I can't do that one-handed. Even though I had just vacuumed with our old vacuum, I went over it again with this one, and it completely filled up that tank. So it definitely is picking up a lot more dirt than our old vacuum, which makes me so happy. The other thing I wanted to show you, and I haven't looked at this yet, so we're going to look at it together. I can kind of see a little bit in here. With that 0M technology where it's not supposed to get any hair wrapped around the bristle. I feel like this room would be the worst offender because I brush my hair in here a lot. And let's just see. Yep, there is no hair wrapped around at all, which I think is amazing. Honestly, I feel like the vacuum is worth it just for that. And here, I'll turn you around. I turn you around, that way you don't have like just staring at the vacuum while I talk to you. What was I going to say? Oh, when I vacuumed upstairs and emptied out the canister, there was so much hair in there. So like I said, I have been losing hair like crazy. Oh, sorry, crazy camera. I've been losing hair like crazy just from normal like postpartum stuff, and it's just been coming out in handfuls, which is awful. And I feel like my hair is everywhere, and no matter what I do, I cannot get this place like clean and hair free, and hair's always on my shirt. It's just a thing in my life right now. But I'm so happy that this is like picking up tons of that hair. I really think it's getting like all the hair, honestly. And it's not wrapping around the brush. It's actually just coming out here in this little canister. And yeah, so I'm able just to throw it away. And it's like super gross, but like in the most satisfying way to empty that and see just all the nasty dirt, and especially all the freaking hair, because that is my pet peeve of the moment. So yeah, loving this vacuum cleaner. Definitely recommend. Like I said, this isn't sponsored, this isn't an ad, this is just me nerding out over a vacuum cleaner. And I will link it down below for you. I'm sorry about this camera craziness, but I will link it down below for you directly to Amazon in case you want to get the same vacuum cleaner. If you are also shedding, I'm sure also if you have pets that shed, like I think this is amazing. And I did use it a little bit. I didn't show you, but I used it a little bit on our tile as well. That was the other thing I really wanted this for, is I am constantly sweeping, and I'm sure I'll still have to sweep occasionally, but just the ease of being, my hair's doing a weird thing. The ease of being able to just use this on the tile, and especially the baseboards, like I'm so excited. I'm making you dizzy with the camera, so I'm gonna stop talking now. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. And oh yeah, also let me know about what I asked earlier. What is your favorite chore, and do you like nerd out over it? All right, y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.